Now, the government has started so many poverty alleviation programs, and government has started so many programs for the removal of poverty from India. The first you have studied that the growth oriented approach. Growth oriented approach means they are giving more importance in the productivity in the agriculture sector and starting of industries in backward regions or the remote areas of our country, so that the more and more people will get employment. But this growth oriented approach was not get much success, because as we have increased the productivity through green revolution, and also we have started so many industries, but the problem remain equal, that our per capita income will not rise because the population was continuously rising. Because of the population explosion, this growth oriented approach was not get much successful, because the agriculture sector and the industrial sector both are not giving much benefited for removal of poverty. This approach was started in first 5-year plan. Now that is why the government has started the next approach, that is known as the poverty alleviation programs in India. Government has started many poverty alleviation programs in India, because removal of poverty is a challenging for India, because as we are production increases, our growth in agriculture sector, industry sector increases, but then also our population was continuously rising. Because of population explosion, the situation remain the same. That means that poverty will be decreasing in some of the years, but then also the number of population will get increasing, and again the poverty will remain constant in India. So that is why government has started the poverty alleviation program. जब गरीबी को गवर्नमेंट दूर नहीं कर पाई, मीन्स जितने भी प्रोग्राम्स स्टार्ट किए गए, तब भी हमारी सिचुएशन ऐसी थी पॉवर्टी की, क्योंकि हमारे देश की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही थी. अगर हम ज़्यादा सोर्सेज बढ़ा रहे थे, ज़्यादा हम पॉवर्टी के लिए दूर करने के लिए हम इतने प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर रहे थे, ग्रोथ ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच में हमने एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया, ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन स्टार्ट किया, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन पे जोर दिया, फिर भी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ी, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ पॉपुलेशन भी कंटिन्यूसली बढ़ती गई, तो सिचुएशन बिल्कुल सेम ही थी. दैट इज वी आर not get much success in removing the poverty in India. So that is why the government has started this poverty alleviation programs, and it was given importance in the third 5-year plan. Third 5-year plan में we have given importance for the poverty reduction programs. That is, government has started so many programs in India. These anti-poverty programs are divided into two categories. Government की जो ये poverty को दूर करने की जो anti-poverty programs है, इसको दो categories में divide किया गया. First category is self-employment programs. Self-employment program means to encourage the workers to get started their own enterprise, to start their own work. And second is wage employment program, that is providing supplementary wage to the people for removing the poverty. तो गवर्नमेंट की पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन प्रोग्राम को दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड किया गया. पहली थी हमारी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम. सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम दैट मीन्स इन द बैकवर्ड एरियाज ऑफ द कंट्री और इन द अर्बन एरियाज ऑल्सो, दोज हु स्टार्ट वांट्स टू देयर ओन एंटरप्राइज, वो अपना खुद का कुछ छोटा मोटा बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहते हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट उनके लिए भी प्रोग्राम्स बनाया. फर्स्ट इज रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम. This rural employment programs is known as REGP. That is, these programs were started in rural areas for the persons who want to start their own enterprise, who wants to get help from government from the for the finance for starting their enterprise. So these programs were started in rural areas, so that people will start their self-owned enterprise, and they can start their small enterprises or small scale industries, so that the production work will be going on, and then the poverty will be eliminated. Second is Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana is also known as PMRY. Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana is helpful for the people who want to start their own enterprise, those who are not having finance, or those who are unavailability of finance, but they want to start their enterprise. जो कुछ लोग हैं अपना खुद का बिजनेस, छोटा मोटा बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहते हैं, पर उनके पास पैसा नहीं है, तो फॉर दोज पीपल गवर्नमेंट has started this scheme, that is प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना, जिसमें कि गवर्नमेंट जो है वो छोटा मोटा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग लोन्स एट वेरी लेस रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. उसके रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट भी कम होते हैं, और गवर्नमेंट को ये लोन प्रोवाइड करती है ताकि वो अपना खुद का छोटा मोटा बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सके, और इस तरह से एम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ेगा, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन होगा, और इससे कई और लोगों को भी काम मिलेगा, और इस तरह से पॉवर्टी को हम दूर कर सकते हैं. तो सेकेंड स्कीम ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना, जिसमें कि गवर्नमेंट जो है लोन्स प्रोवाइड करती है अपनी बिजनेस शुरू करने के लिए इन rural areas as well as in urban areas. Next is Swarna Jayanti Rozgar Yojana. Swarna Jayanti Rozgar Yojana is started for the people who wants to start their micro enterprises or small enterprises, and they wants to work, that wants to start their business or the small enterprises in like small and cottage industries or in backward areas also. So this Swarna Jayanti Rozgar Yojana is for the people who wants to start their work, who wants to get joined in some work. So these government has started these schemes, these programs. So they are providing them finance also. They are doing they're getting giving help in starting their enterprises and other helps those which are required for starting their own rojgar or own employment. So this scheme was started. Next is Swarna Jayanti Gram Sarojgar Yojana. This scheme was started by the government, which is known as SJGSY, that is Swarna Jayanti Gram Sarojgar Yojana. This was started in rural areas by the government so that they can, the people in the rural areas, those who are uneducated, unskilled, they can start their work, and their self-help group people are there. Those who are helping the person who wants to help, who wants help of who need in finance for the starting their work or some other purposes, they want loan. So these SHG people, SHG self help group, ये वो लोग हैं जो कि खुद से अपना एक ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल हैं जो कि अपने खुद से पैसा अरेंज करते हैं और उस पैसे से लोगों की हेल्प करते हैं. किसी को बिजनेस के लिए पैसा देते हैं, किसी को दूसरे सोशल ट्रेडिशंस के लिए भी पैसा दिया जाता है और ये बहुत ही कम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट में होता है और जिस तरह से लोगों के पास पैसा आता है तो वो धीरे धीरे उसको वापस भी कर सकते हैं. So these are the people who are helping rural areas to start their work, to start their own Rozgar, and these are the schemes that we started in Gramin Rozgar Yojana or Sarojgar Yojana, that is for the upliftment of the people in the rural areas. And this work is also helped by the self-help group people. Self-help group people, they are also getting help from the government for helping the people, and also they are arranging their money by themselves. तो गवर्नमेंट ने ये सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम्स के अंदर ये इतनी सारी स्कीम्स स्टार्ट की थी. प्राइम रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम, देन प्राइम मिनिस्टर रोजगार योजना, स्वर्ण जयंती रोजगार योजना, संपूर्ण स्वर्ण जयंती ग्राम स्वरोजगार योजना. तो ये सारी जो स्कीम्स है दे आर नोन एज सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्कीम. मीन्स द पर्सन्स हु wants to start their own small business or a small enterprise or micro enterprises in rural or in as well as in urban areas, वो खुद से अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना, काम धंधा शुरू करना चाहते हैं तो उनकी हेल्प के लिए, ताकि पॉवर्टी को रोक सके, पॉवर्टी को कम कर सके. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड दीज स्कीम्स इन पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन प्रोग्राम. नेक्स्ट स्कीम वाज स्टार्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट आर वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम. दूसरी जो गवर्नमेंट ने वेज एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट की फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू द पीपल दोज हु आर नॉट हैविंग any work, to providing them wages or some supplementary work to the people, and also then helping them their food requirements etc. तो ये जो स्कीम्स के अंदर दो स्कीम्स गवर्नमेंट ने स्टार्ट की थी. फर्स्ट इज संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना. दिस स्कीम वाज स्टार्टेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट टू प्रोवाइड that employment generation schemes in rural areas so that the people can start their work, they can find work for themselves, they will be skilled, they can get benefited by the training given by the governments, and also the government has started different types of employment generation schemes to the people so that they can get work in these, and this is known as Sampoorna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, that providing supplementary work to the rural people as well as the food supplements also. Next is the National Food for Work program. This program was started in 2004, that is National Food for Work program. These programs were started by the government so that the people will able to get their basic necessities for themselves. Minimum needs programs also started, and also that Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Generation Scheme, NREGA, you have heard that government ने ये महात्मा गांधी रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन स्कीम स्टार्ट की थी, जिसमें कि the people of the poor people in the village or the rural areas, they will get 100 days wage employment by the from the government side. That is, they will get the work and the people government will giving them money for doing the work. So this is the NREGA scheme, that is National Food for Work program, that the people are giving work for 100 days and they will also providing the remuneration for the working. So ये गवर्नमेंट ने 100 days की जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली थी कि इन फॉर रूरल एरियाज that every family some members of the family in the rural areas, they will get work in 100 days. It will be the responsibility of the government to provide them work for 100 days, and so that their poverty can be removed, they will get jobs, they will get employment, and they can improve their standard of living. So these are the different types of schemes government has started under poverty elevation programs, ताकि गवर्नमेंट का जो एम था कि पॉवर्टी को किस तरह से एलिमिनेट करना है, हटाना है हमारे देश से. तो इन थर्ड 5 year प्लान गवर्नमेंट हैज गिवन मोर इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर द starting of these poverty elevation program, so that anti-poverty programs, so that the poverty can be एलिवेटेड फ्रॉम आवर कंट्री. हम नंबर ऑफ पुअर पीपल्स को कम कर सकें. पूरी तरह से हम खत्म नहीं कर सकते, बट हम इसको प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, रोक सकते हैं. पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल करना है, पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन को कम करना है, ताकि हमारा पॉवर्टी जो है वो कम हो सके.